made it to Moraine Lake, and I'm on a canoe. Canoeing for the very first time by myself, and it's beautiful here. Excited to take in the beauty and see what canoeing's all about.
This lake is a lake that I've wanted to see for a very long time. It's only 20 minutes away from Lake Louise, but it's a lot nicer, less populated, but definitely more challenging to get to. You have to get up before dawn to actually get a parking spot in the small parking lot, and if you don't get that, then you have to wait in Lake Louise and actually take a shuttle bus up to the lake. I had to stand in a 2-hour lineup to just get a ticket to make it up to this lake. I'm really glad I did because this lake is magical.